Hey, you need to share, baby. Let's see. You know what they can jump on?
What? No, not that. No, put it there. I want to keep it there.
Oh, baby.
Oh.
What you want to do now?
What are your Bengal tigers going to do, Kayla? What are they going to do?
I need to find a way to get Gavin out of this obstacle course.
What are you building? What's it called?
Obstacle course.
It sounds like. What did we see today?
Obstacle course.
Where'd we go?
Circus.
Was it fun?
What do you want to say?
Was it fun?
Yeah, but what do you want to say when I'm taking my picture?
Say cheese.
Cheese.